Hello friends, I'm Melanie from melaniecooks.com, and today I'll be cooking these Trader Joe's chocolate lava cakes in the air fryer. They're sold in the frozen dessert section, and there is no need to defrost them. Air fryer cooks them straight from frozen. So let's open up the package of chocolate lava cakes. So it has 2 chocolate lava cakes, and I'm going to remove them from their packaging. Now these cups are oven safe, and the way I know that they're oven safe, if you look at the instructions, it has directions for conventional oven, and it goes with those cups in the oven. So if it's safe for the oven, then it's safe for the air fryer. So I'm just going to put it in the air fryer. And I'm going to put the air fryer basket in the air fryer. And now I'm going to set the temperature to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. And I will set the time to 6 minutes. Now the air fryer is done cooking, so let's take a look. Wow, look at these lava cakes. They look amazing. They're ready and perfectly cooked. So let me take them out of the air fryer. Perfect. And now I'm going to invert them onto a plate. So just flip over that cup. And here is that cake. Do you see the chocolate lava inside? Perfect. Let me do the other one. So to make it easier, I'm just trying to squeeze the sides of this dish. Perfect. Look at this gooey middle. Looks so good. I'm so excited about trying it. Let's try it. Tastes as good as it looks. This amazing gooey warm chocolate on the inside and chocolate cake on the outside. That tastes like a chocolate lava cake from the restaurant. And you can have it on demand. Just get them at Trader Joe's, put it in your freezer, and whenever you have a craving for this chocolate lava cake, put it in the air fryer, and it's going to be ready for you on demand. Tastes so amazing, so warm, so chocolatey, so delicious. You will love it. For a free printable recipe and other easy air fryer recipes, please visit my website, melaniecooks.com. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Melanie Cooks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy!